Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com, and in today's video I want to talk about Facebook Instant Articles. So Facebook launched this new platform called Instant Articles where as a blogger or a content creator you can go ahead and upload your content on Facebook, and what it happens is that whenever people try to visit your website from Facebook will host the content for you and deliver your content from their own servers. So Facebook has optimized the delivery of images and text on this platform. So this basically results in faster load times. So if you scroll down, you can see that Facebook is claiming it is going to be 10 times faster than standard mobile web articles. It is going to be 20% more readership for your content, and 70% are less likely to abandon the article because this particular article hosting is optimized by Facebook. So here is how it will look when you are hosting on Facebook Instant Articles. So if you are using a WordPress blog, then Facebook has a WordPress plugin which has been jointly developed by Facebook and the WordPress team, and you can put this plugin inside your WordPress blog. Facebook will take the feed from your blog and create instant articles on behalf of you. So you need a page for it. So there are a certain number of steps that you need to follow to go ahead and enable your WordPress blog for Facebook Instant Articles, that we will go ahead and have a look in the live demo. Here I am inside my WordPress blog, and what we will do is that we will go ahead and install Facebook Instant Articles WordPress plugin so that we can get our WordPress blog up and running for the Facebook Instant Articles platform. So what I would do is that I would go ahead inside the plugin section, and then I would go ahead and click on add new plugin. So here I will search for Facebook Instant Articles, or let me just search for Facebook Instant, and you will see that the official plugin from Facebook will show up here. So this is the official plugin. So earlier when they launched the plugin they had very low ratings, but now the product is pretty stable. So let me click on install now. And when you are installing the plugin, make sure that it is by Facebook on Automattic. So Automattic is the parent company of WordPress. So they have jointly developed this plugin. So let me go ahead and activate it. So earlier Facebook Instant Article plugin had a different set of procedures. Now it has changed. It has actually become more simple. So what I would do is that I would go ahead and click on Instant Articles on the left menu bar. And here you can see this is the settings page, and here I have to enter the Facebook page ID. So let's just scroll down and have a look at the other features that there are there. So we also have an experimental AMP markup generation, which we will discuss in the future videos. So if I go ahead and click on instructions, I would be able to go ahead and sign up for Facebook Instant Articles. So here it asks me for which page I want to sign up for Instant Articles. So I want to sign up for Biker Boy, that is the sample website that we are doing right now. And I would go ahead and agree to the terms and click on access Instant Articles tools. So let me click on continue. So now Facebook has enabled Instant Articles for this particular page. So by default it is not activated, and you just need to go ahead and activate it. So coming back to the WordPress plugin, what I need to do here is that I need to enter the Facebook page ID. So first let me fetch the Facebook page ID. So here what I would do is that I would go to the about section and see if the page ID is available in the about section. So here I am, and here if I go to the home page and if I click on about, and if I scroll down here, I will be able to fetch the page ID. So it's just a number. So I'm copying this and I'm going back to the WordPress plugin and entering the Facebook page ID here. So that's all we need to do. We don't need to create a Facebook developer app or anything like that. Earlier it used to be the procedure, but now they have simplified it. You can also see that there is an option for right to left publishing, which is for Arabic languages. Here we have options where we can include custom ads inside Facebook Instant Articles if we want, and monetize the ads ourselves, and Facebook is going to host the articles for us. So as a general rule, I believe Facebook will give better reach for Instant Articles because it's just a better user experience for people who are on mobile. So what I will do is that I will just go ahead and click on save changes in the WordPress plugin. So here I am inside publishing tools and I am going inside instant articles configuration. So here I have to go ahead and authorize my site. So they have given a meta tag which I can add on my site. But if I am using a WordPress plugin, then as long as the page ID is included in the WordPress plugin, then there is no need to add this meta tag. So this page ID I have already added. So here I would just go ahead and enter the URL of the blog. So that is www.bikerboy.in, and I will click on claim URL. So since we have already installed the plugin, then Facebook can verify the installation and it says that the URL has been claimed. So now I will also enter the version without the www and click on claim URL. So here we have to enter the RSS feed URL, and to get the RSS feed URL you just need to go to bikerboy.in/feed/instant articles. So if the plugin is already installed, then you can go ahead and access this page, copy the URL, go back to the page and enter the feed URL here. So go ahead and click on save, click OK. So here you can see inside the production articles, all the articles that has been published on the blog has been fetched via the RSS feed. So here if I want to select a particular article and go ahead and publish it, you see that there is no publish option. That is because we are yet to submit the entire thing for review. So this is the basic markup language that is there, which Facebook understands for configuring the instant articles. So this is directly pulled from the RSS feed. You can also go ahead and create a separate instant article right inside this area, but it will not be practically possible because you have to put it in the markup language. So if we click on instant article insights, we have no data yet because it is yet to be published and people are yet to have a look at it. So development articles is something you can ignore right now. You can go ahead and check example articles. So here for example articles they have given the markup language, but since we are using the official WordPress plugin, there is really no need to get into this. We also have something called call to action units where you can put a call to action inside the instant articles, and there are three types of call to action units. We have the app install call to action unit which has been recently launched. So you can see here that we have app install, we have email newsletter, and we have a page call to action. So if we are putting an email newsletter plugin, then you can configure the email newsletter widget like this. You can put your logo, you can put a message, and you can even start collecting email subscribers right inside Facebook instant articles. So which is a great option which we will have a look once our account is approved. We will put call to action articles. So now going back to the configuration page, let us see what else is remaining. So we have something called the style editor where you can go ahead and change the style to suit the feel of your website. So here you can include a logo, you can include something called a kicker which is like a tagline, and then you have title, then you have quote, so you can configure the fonts, colors, line heights and text size for all these things to kind of suit your brand. So this is the default template that we have, and this is how it would look on the mobile. That's what they are showing here. So it's a sample preview. So let me go ahead and click on close, come back, and let me see what is the next step in the entire process. So we have create articles, we have explore audience network. So Facebook audience network is for advertising. So I will go ahead and sign up for email notifications. So if Facebook has any updates regarding instant articles, they will send me an email notification. I would go ahead and click on save for that as well. So now we are back here. Let me just go back into the configuration page and let's see what is the next. So right now we have to create 5 articles for submitting it for review. 5 articles is something that we already have, but it says that we don't have a logo yet. So what we need to do is that we have to go to the style editor again and upload our logo. So let me go ahead and click on default, and here let me click on logo. So I have uploaded a rough logo. It is not very well optimized, but I just took a screenshot and Facebook wants it 690 pixels wide by 132 pixels height minimum. So I have uploaded the biker boy logo, and this is how it would show up in the articles. So let me go ahead and save this particular template. So now the only requirement that we had was we need to have a logo in the template. So now that we have a logo, what we can do is that we can see if we can go and submit it for review. So this review submission is going to be for the first time. So let me go ahead and click on submit for review right here. So here it says that to start publishing articles, we have to submit it for review. We need minimum 5 articles. So we have 5 articles on the blog. You can see that these are the 5 articles which are fetched from the RSS feed. So let me go ahead and click on configuration, and let me go ahead and click on submit for review. So once it is submitted for review, we have to wait for around 2 to 3 days, and Facebook will go ahead and manually review the articles and go ahead and approve it. So we just need to wait for the approval, and once it is done, we will be able to go ahead and publish our instant articles. So that's about it for this video. I hope you liked and understood all the concepts with Facebook instant articles. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below this video.